Welcome to Yuan Practice Platform. Here we have archived hundreds of continuing education resources to support you on your Balance Method path. The great thing is that it's open to all Yuan Network members. In this platform, you will find detailed clinical cases. You can watch demonstration videos from classes. You can practice your needling thanks to the very nice tutorials, or read short illustrated clinical cases that were written by the Yuan team. Finally, you can have a glance at excerpts from classes. All this very high quality content is regularly updated with new Yuan Balance resources. Once you're logged in as a network member, simply click on one of the following categories. For example, if you like to watch video clips from seminars, you can already see that there are 5 videos on Acu-Advanced, Acu-Core, or videos that will help you perfect your technique or gain precision in how you approach different clinical cases. If you're more in the mood to practice your needling, then our All About Points series will help you to understand better and with more precision how to needle the points. We already uploaded Small Intestine 8, Kidney 2, and Tenjiao 4. Many more will come soon. Now, if you like to prepare before the visit of a patient, and that is coming, let's say, next week or next day, you can enjoy hundreds of different case studies. They are sorted by keywords. And if your patient, for example, suffers from upper back pain, simply click on the keyword and you can access already 4 videos and 2 illustrated clinical cases. Once you click on one case, you will have the detailed description, and then the platform suggests you other content that might be related to that issue. If you prefer to use your own keyword, just type it in the search bar. And you will have a list of all the material that we have that is related to foot problem. Here, for example, I could be interested to check the material on restless leg syndrome. Finally, if you prefer to simply study a category, then you have video clips from seminars, or you can decide to just watch video cases, or just detailed cases that have a video with them, or simply detailed cases, or just our series on how to study points. We have put all our heart to design and create this practice platform, and we hope it will be a great tool to support you on your Balance Method path.